Did you receive something from Allchinabuy that wasn't quite what you expected? Don't worry, getting a return and refund is usually pretty straightforward. First, sign into your Allchinabuy account. You will need to navigate to your order history. This is where you will find all the details about your previous purchases. Find the specific order containing the item you want to return. Look for a button that says something like Return Refund or Request Return. Click on it. You'll be presented with a return request form. Now, carefully fill out all the required information. This includes specifying the reason for your return. Be as detailed as possible. If the item is damaged or defective, be sure to upload clear photos or videos as evidence. The more evidence you provide, the smoother the process will be. Once you've completed the form and uploaded any necessary evidence, submit your return request. You'll typically receive a confirmation message or email. Keep an eye on your email or Allchinabuy account for updates on your return request. If your request is approved, you will receive instructions on how to ship the item back. Follow those instructions carefully. Make sure to package the item securely to prevent any further damage during shipping. Use the provided shipping label if there is one. Once Allchinabuy receives and inspects the returned item, they'll process your refund according to their policies. The refund timeframe may vary.